to all. I am Ritika from class 4. Today I tell you how I make the bridge. So let's start. In this bridge I use material this. First I use cardboard. I cut the cardboard and then I paste it. And then this is the rope. It is the thread. And then I use so many things to make it. I use scissors, glue, cardboard and thread. Okay friends? In bridge we can cross the bridge to go school, to go shops, to go market. We can go anywhere by crossing the bridge. In downside the river there is a small river. Okay, in our country there is so many bridges. Okay friends, there are so many bridges in our country. The bridge is made of the stones, but I made it from cardboard. Thank you. Have a nice day.